Internal linking is one of the most powerful SEO factor, but 90% of bloggers still do it wrong. But if I told you you can automate your entire internal linking system with AI, in today's video I will show you the brand new AI link genius feature in Rank Math and how it can literally boost your rankings without writing new content. Hi guys, welcome to Pre-Tech Idea. If you're just building a blog, niche website or even agency, this video is going to change your SEO game. Today we are talking about AI Link Genius, a powerful new feature inside Rank Math SEO plugin. So here on one of my website, I'm using Rank Math SEO free plugin. Make sure you already configure or set up your Rank Math SEO plugin for the first time, and then you have to click on dashboard. In the dashboard, make sure your link counter is active. And later on, I will also show you the pro feature Link Genius, how it is really genius for your website while using free Rank Math SEO account. And you can also see the option links, and you can see with the label new, it's new feature from Rank Math SEO. So let me click on links. Under the links, I have here some options like post, links, bulk update if you want to bulk update your internal or external links, keyword mapping, but these tools are pro. Later on, I will also show you how to update using pro version. So here on the post section, we are literally willing to track or check all our blog posts. So first let's talk about what exactly is AI Link Genius. AI Link Genius is advanced internal linking tool that scan your entire website, find internal link opportunities, fix broken links, and even automate linking with AI, which I will show you on my pro account. As your site grow, manually linking become impossible. Pages are buried, traffic drop, and SEO weaknesses. This tool solves that problem completely. So first let's talk about the general dashboard of links section. First we have post, where you will able to see all your posts, have internal links or external links, incoming links, SEO score of that particular blog post, and type of post, if it's a page or blog post. And then next option we have here, if we click on links, I will able to see the internal links or external links, or you can click here all to see all your internal or external links. You can click here by success, broken, redirect, robot blocked, all in advance, which is I will show you later on in my pro dashboard. The bulk update and keyword maps also the pro tool of Rank Math SEO Pro. You have to get this plan for discounts from Rank Math SEO, which include also Link Genius, also AI content AI feature, which also give you free AI credits. So if I go back to post section, I have here all post. If I click on orphan post, I will able to see all my orphan posts which does not have any internal or external links with incoming links. This is where we will able to see the post with only internal links. Now we have this dashboard. We are able to get the screenshot of our website, how our website internal or external links are working. And then we can definitely click on each post type and we will able to add internal and external links manually if you're using Rank Math free tool. If I click on upper side here icon for Rank Math SEO and scroll down, you have your SEO basic details, additional details, title readability, and all content readability options. And then we have here some options: add do follow links, add internal links on your account. When you update your links inside the blog post, these red dots will become green. When you manually add your internal or external links inside your blog post, and then the links will be updated into your links dashboard here. You can also click here export table data, and you can also filter by internal links, external links, incoming links, SEO score or type. You also click here to check different types of, if you want to check internal or external links only for the pages, click on pages and apply filters. Now let me bring you on my RankMath SEO Pro account where I will able to explain deeply. As you can see, this is my Pro account and I have a option overview which give you more in detail data for your link status or audit completed. You can see here link status audit completed, link status audit completed with total 326 link crawled and 55 are unique and 255 proceed and 0 fail and progress is on 100%. And if I scroll down, I will able to see here working links, broken links, redirects, if there is any particular blog post or page robot blocked, I will able to see here and I will able to check all those. And then we have under the overview all these options. Under link health, we also able to see there if there are broken links on our website. So now let's click on now on the post. I'm using now Pro version. So here I have similar options here as we access in the free account. If I click on now the great and good, and I will able to see all my good links or great links. If I click on bad, I will able to see the SEO score I need to improve, and some external links, internal links are also missing. If I click on not set, that means there is no SEO under this particular blog post, so I have to update and improve my SEO score. If I click on orphan post, and these are the posts, some of them does not have any internal links, external links, or not even SEO score. So I need to work on these orphan posts to improve my website posts with incoming links. And these are the posts comes with the incoming links, and I can click here view incoming links to this post, and it will give me further detail of which I have what type of hyperlink I have here. Anchor text hyperlinks, link type is internal, and I can even recheck it. Click on recheck, view detail or add it. So under the post, you will able to check all your links. If I click on next page here, downside we have some information: 90 blog post, 59 orphan post, and 64 posts with incoming internal links, 64 with external links. I can click next to go next page, and I have to improve all these blog posts with no incoming or external links or internal links. So I need to improve all this. This post has no internal links. We recommend that you add links to this URL. So I have to click here individual each post when I open this particular blog post. And here let's click on rank math SEO icon, scroll down, and I will able to see link opportunity option, and this is really great. And I can click generate in order to generate the links for this particular post. Let's click on right now there is no suggestion yet. Click generate to create suggestions. Let's click on links option, and here we have option for the regenerate links, information about regenerate links, anchor text hyperlinks, and I can click on recheck. It will I will able to recheck all after we update in the backend. I will able to recheck all my internal external links here. Let's click on bulk update where I can filter my links, narrow down which links to update, leave empty to update all matching links. Let's select here internal links, link type external, internal, no follow status, no follow, anchor type text or image. Let me select text here. Post type, it should be post. I want to filter the post only with internal links, with no follow, with anchor text. All time publish, or you can also last 30 days, filter by last 30 days, 6 months. So now let's click on next. So here configure update. What to update? Both anchor text and URL. What type of link you want to update? If you want to only update anchor text only, just to select here, or both anchor text and URL. Then you can select here exact match or contains or pattern. So let me click here exact match. I can find here the word blog, and then you have to put the word here you want to replace with. Make sure you check case sensitive or whole word only. Make sure you uncheck or check these options. And URL, this is for the anchor text. URL setting, we have here search type, exact URL match, partial match, domain match. You also can filter by domain match. If you have any domain, internal or external domain, you can put your domain here in the box, and you can replace easily with a new domain URL. After you done this process, let's click on next. Please enter both search and replace value for anchor. Let's search for, I wanna replace blog anchor text to our blog. Let's click on next, and it will search here. Let me put here URL, exact URL match. Let me find any URL. So after I provide all the values, make sure the pro tip here, use exact match for precise replacement to avoid accidentally changing partial words within other sentence. Let's click on next here. So this is the overview here, review changes, configuration summary. We have here, we are going to update this particular anchor text with a new anchor text from URL to this URL. Apply internal no follow text. You can review changes. It will take some time and it will give you an update with the changes. So let's click on now keyword mapping. What is keyword mapping? Keyword maps create reusable links rule that automatically apply to your content and add AI generated variations to each different keyword phrase. Let's click on create keyword map. Example, I have a keyword name SEO guide, and I want to add rule here, case sensitive, auto link on publish. What this will do, when we add new blog post or add new page, it will auto link on publish, automatically apply links when publish new content. So you can put here name SEO guide and target URL. Example, I have my another website where I have SEO guide. I can easily provide the target link of my another website, and when there is no new content on my website, it will automatic add keyword with a target URL on that particular blog post. Max links per post, maximum links 3 maximum links. You also can provide description for what this rule does. You can provide in detail here. You also can click here generate AI variations to generate different keyword variations. You also can click here add variations, enter variations separated by comma or add new line. You can add different variations and you will able to create your keyword maps. So I hope you like this tool and you must try this tool. I will give link in description where you will also get a discount, and it will bring you on Rank Math SEO website where you will able to check their different plans. So under the Rank Math SEO plans, you have different plan, agency, business and pro plan, where you will also get AI link genius, broken link checker, automatic keyword linking. Those are new tools added into Rank Math Pro plans. And you will also get a free content AI trial with 12,000 credit, 5,000 credit, and 30,000 credit in different plans. So you must try out these plans. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.